Hello. With What Goes News, an update, breaking news. The former president is challenging a contempt ruling in the New York State Attorney General's organization probe. Former President Donald Trump appealing a New York judge's decision to hold him in contempt of court and fine him $10,000 per day for failing to adequately respond to subpoenas issued in the State Attorney General's civil investigation into his business dealings. Trump's lawyers, Alina Habba, filed a notice of appeal Wednesday with the appellate division of the state's trial court, making good on her pledge to challenge Manhattan Judge Arthur Ugoris' ruling issued Monday. Habba questioned the legal basis for holding Trump in contempt, arguing that he responded properly to the subpoena and that the Attorney General office had failed to show his conduct was calculated to defend, impair, impede, or prejudice the probe, and refused to engage in good faith discussion. All documents responsive to the subpoena were produced to the Attorney General's months ago, is what the claim is. Ugorin said a contempt finding was appropriate because Trump and his lawyers hadn't shown they had conducted a proper search for records sought by the subpoena. Furthermore, New York Attorney General Letitia James, a Democrat, has asked the court to hold Trump in contempt of court after he failed to produce any documents to satisfy a March 31st court-imposed deadline to meet the terms of the subpoena. James has been conducting a lengthy investigation into the Trump Organization, the former president, family, owner, and associates, centering around what she has claimed is a pattern of misleading bank officials and tax authorities about the value of the property, of his properties. Therefore, it looks as if the judge has now ordered that Donald and Ivanka must appear in court. Former President Donald Trump must answer questions under oath in New York State's civil investigation into his business practices. A state appellate court ruled Thursday. A fourth judge panel in the appellate division of the state's trial court upheld Manhattan Judge Arthur Ugorin's February 17th ruling enforcing subpoenas for Trump and his eldest children to give depositions, testimony in Attorney General Letitia James's probe. Trump had appealed it, seeking to overturn the ruling. His lawyers argue that ordering Trump to testify violated their constitutional rights because their answers could be used in parallel criminal investigations. Now we're seeking a date, and we will be seeing when this will be happening. You guys stay tuned. Eric Crawford for What Goes. Thank you. Subscribe now.